Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to make a really good flying paper airplane. So first, you don't want to do it like this. You want to do it like this. And then you want to take this corner, fold it to the middle. And then do it with the other side. Might not be perfect since I don't have lined paper. Okay, I'm gonna restart. Okay. So you do this. Dude, I don't get how it isn't even put. Whatever. Oh, I got it. And then, just whoop. And then, once you did that, you want to take this, fold it down where this little part ends. Next up, what you want to do is do this, fold the corner like that. Then you want to fold the corners the exact same, just on the other side. Oh. Until you got this. Oh, why is it like that? And then you want to take it and then fold the inside and in half. And you got this. Now you want to take this top part and then fold it down. Ooh, just messed up right there. Dude. Okay, got it to work. And then you just want to, do that. Same thing on the other side. My body might be too small, so it might not work well, but you never know until we see. And then you want to take the end of this wing, put it up. The same thing on the other side. And then you should have something that looks like this. Then when you throw it off a high place,